Oh, hi. Hello. So, welcome to the channel Everything Innovative. And today I am going to travel on the RRTS, that is Namo Bharat Rail, which is India's first and high speed rail network that is connect from the metro cities or intercities, and runs between Delhi and Meerut. Its first and priority corridor from Saibabad to Duhai was inaugurated last year in 2024 by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and to connect the Delhi, it is now extended its network to Anand Vihar railway station, and it will be further extended towards the Sarai Kale Khan station. I am here at Anand Vihar area, that is Anand Vihar ISBT and railway station. So just wait. This is the indication that our India is growing faster as it is becoming to the 5 trillion economy, and also so I am just entering to the station area. Yesterday on the 5th of the January 2025, PM Modi inaugurated its extended route from Sahib to Anand Vihar. Further constructions are going till Sarai Kale Khan, and at that side the connectivity towards the metro of the pink line and blue line also given, and adjacent to that side connectivity to the Anand Vihar railway station is also given. It means connectivity towards all the it is the multi-purpose uh, area. Like here it is the interstate bus stand, that is ISBT Anand Vihar, and railway station, that is Anand Vihar railway station, and also the metro station from for the blue line and both pink line also. So just I am entering inside the metro RRTS station area. First of all, I have to take the tickets, and there are the facilities to buy the tickets by the three ways. As you can buy physical ticket also, and you can take from the application. Its application is also available, and you can take also by paying on QR scan or UPI. You can see how it is so beautifully designed and constructed, as it's world class RRTS and India's first and most advanced RRTS system to connect the intercities like Delhi and Meerut, and it will be further extended to the several other states like Haryana and Rajasthan also in Alwar SNB RRTS. I will enter inside the metro area, and I will take, first of all I have to take the tickets, and you can buy cards and tickets there is situated, and you can buy physical tickets, and also you can take by paying the UPI or QR, and also by the mobile application. So just I will try to take the tickets with QR UPI, and you can also here use your credit or debit card. So there are four ways to buy the tickets of the NCRTC, that is Namo Bharat. Just click on here. Here it is asking for standard class and premium class. So there are two types of classes, that is standard and premium class. So first, for the first way, I will choose the standard class. So here are the station till the Meerut South, Modi Nagar North, Modi Nagar South.
Please select the station.
And here it is asking for the station, that is Ghaziabad.
Please select journey type and number of tickets.
I have to take the single journey.
Select the payment option.
Here it is asking for the payment option, that is you can take insert banknotes or use UPI or bank card or NMC wallet use you can. So I will click on
Scan
UPI.
QR for payment.
Then it is saying to scan the QR. So here my scanner is here, and I will just pay by scanning this. Now I have paid,
Have a
and
nice trip.
my ticket is here, you can see, and this QR is enabled only for 2 minutes, and then now I will enter the platform area by using this and scanning on the scanner there over there after the security checks. You can see here so vast area it is constructed over to cater the passengers coming from bus station and railway station and metro station, because here lot of passengers will be overcrowded after the whole route operational. Now I have entered inside the metro area and I will scan this QR over here, and you can see the premium lounge for ladies and women, and this is the platform area you can see. And one thing to tell you, this metro station is underground, so I have to go inside the underground station. And you can see here Amul stall is also made over there. And here now it is shown as Sarai Kale Kha, and which is abandoned because the route is not operational yet. And here it is saying that Modipuram, for the Modipuram, this platform, this is operational. So I have to go that side for the platform. You can see that that rapid rail is going for the change the track. The whole rail line is securely fitted over the glass doors, so you cannot enter without opening. And here the all routes and stations are situated and displayed. Door will be open from here, and then you can enter only. You cannot see the tracks from outside. You can see here the elevators. These are the transparent elevators also here, so you can see lift is coming from this. Means this station is made on the point of international travelers, as it is connecting Delhi to Meerut. So here it will also connect the Anand Vihar railway station, Anand Vihar ISBT, that is bus stand, and it will also connect the metros of the Delhi Metro or Noida Metro, both. So you can use blue line and pink line to connect Delhi. You can see it is displaying as that side. That side is the premium lounge and ladies coach. So premium and ladies coach will be at the front side of the train. So it has been announced that our train is coming, and the train will be operated as 160 kmph, as it is the fastest metro or ever train in India. And one train is also trials ongoing, that is the Vande sleeper version. This will be also operated on the Indian Railways tracks, and that will be operated on 160 kmph, 130 to 160 kmph. As right now Gatiman Express is the high speed train that is operated on 160 kmph. As you can see, the Namo Bharat train is arrived. Wow, this is the fastest rapid rail ever in India. As you can see, doors are open now, and just I will enter inside that, and this metro will be operated at 160 kmph. This is making me too happy, and you can see here speeds and station destinations all will be displayed over here. You can see. So what are the facilities here? I have shown in the previous video last year. Here it is charging socket, and these seats are 2x2, you can see, and doors are closed now, and you can see. And here also the stations are shown, which station you are, that is showing next station also, and your destination is also shown. And here are the seat numbers as 10A 10B, 11A 11B, and it is announcing at next station. You can see it is showing as its speed at 47, 49. You can see here. Time also displayed here, and next station. After some time, the metro will be elevated. This rapid rail is manufactured by Alstom from Sauli, I think Sauli or Sanand in Gujarat. See, this is the bag holder and bag rack. Here are the handle and rails, and to open the door, and it is if doors are automatically not opened, then you can use this. And now our metro is going to elevated, aft you can see. And here this side you can also see, that is the Vaishali metro. At the side of the metro you can see this type of chairs are also kept to sit, I think 2 or 3 sittings. And here it is this is the joint area of the coaches, and this is the fire extinguisher. You can see train is running at 115 kmph right now. And Saibabad station has arrived. You can see the Saibabad station, RRTS. This will make the age of the travel experience to Meerut. This is the talkback unit. You can talk to the loco pilot of this train in the emergency. You have to open the cover and you have to speak over here. These are the emergency for the emergency situations. And you can see this is the Indian Railways line. These are 4 lines are equipped with automatic signaling. And now you can see its speed. It's going towards the 136. Indian Railways. This is a marvelous and amazing engineering, as right now it's a winter season and that's why weather is too foggy. Now our train is arrived at Ghaziabad RRTS, and I have to deboard from here because I have taken the tickets for the Ghaziabad only. You can see this is the Ghaziabad RRTS or Rapid Metro Station. After that, this train will be destinated towards the Meerut South, and you can see this is the major change in developing nation like India. And like these type of trains India needs more, as rapid rail is beneficial for the inter cities and that are overcrowded like Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad or Kolkata. You can see one another metro or rapid rail is coming behind me. This is the fastest rapid metro ever built in India and built by Alstom in Sauli, Gujarat. It's going to New Ashoknagar. Yeah, I'm right. This metro is going to New Ashok Nagar. Only one pantograph is being operated right now. Second pantograph is down as like this. You can see there is green signal and rapid rail is moving faster than faster. To move for concourse, you can use the lift escalator, and you can see, and it will move to. Door is closing. This lift is transparent, fully transparent made. You can see outside. You're all around. Now it's concourse. This is the Ghaziabad, and you can see this station is also made in a huge area. And now where to exit? I am looking where to exit. Here it is showing that the exit at this side. On this station you can also see use the some stalls to take the snacks and other things to eat. One exit at, I think, at that side, and one is at this side. One thing more, our government is utilizing all the infrastructure for our convenience, and don't throw garbage anywhere else. Use this type of dustbin everywhere wherever you go. Now this time I will use the premium class, and
Select the
for
destination.
that I have to select this, and in this time I will go
Please
to
select
the
the station.
New Ashok Nagar.
Please
This
select journey
cost as
type and the number of
single,
tickets. The payment
and I
option.
will pay using UPI
Scan
card.
QR for payment.
So my UPI is coming here. I think every procedure is same for the standard class or premium class, but only the thing is different as you have to scan your QR for 2 times. So now I will move on the platform area, and first time I have scanned my QR as previous for the standard class, and then after I will show you for the premium lounge, premium class. It is announced that New Ashok Nagar metro is coming, and for the premium class I have to move that side, that area. For the premium lounge I have to scan again this QR, and then this will be open. This is the premium class for that platform that side, and for this platform that side, and New Ashok Nagar RRTS is coming. You can see. Here these are the magazines, and I can use it. I will use this to read. I will get inside the board inside the metro, that is now via rapid rail. I am waiting to doors to be open. For to open I have to press this, and then the door will be open. Wow, you can see this is the premium class, and this is the loco pilot area, and door is closing. You can see all the things are similar as the standard class. Only the thing change is that in this coach the differently abled person and seating arrangement will be changed, and you can see here it is. This type of curtain is also equipped, and in the summer days you can use, and its chair is recliner. It means you can use this as to, you can see just a bit. I will click here, and then I can press it back. As you can see, this is back now. Show you the recliner chair again, and I will press here, and then press this. The seat is now in reclined. One thing is more, you can put your foot over here. This is the footrest, and here is the water bottle area, and here for your all the steps like magazines or anything else, and charging socket is same here for any hanging, your bag hanging. So wait, Indian Railways line, and this is the Indian Railways train. Wow, what a nice view. Can you imagine? You can't imagine. Wow, this is the difference. Woohoo. This is faster than Indian Railways, but this fastness is only for some months because Vande Sleeper is coming to boom this speed. Vande Sleeper is trial is going on at the speed of 180 kmph. You can see the WAP7 with Coco Bogie, I think. WAP7, wow, you can see at its speed was above the 130 kmph, and now it's reduced as Saibabad station is coming now. And in this chairs are differently like recliner, and here for the keeping the bags and other steps. And you can see this kind of snacks are also kept over here. You can use this and scan via using QR. After scanning it, and you have to use this for the your steps for the snacks. And this door is for the separation of standard class. At that side this is standard class, and this is the premium class, and this is the separator of the coaches. Now this station is Saibabad. I am entering on Saibabad station. This time I will go till the Ashok Nagar, that is last station of this rapid rail or Namo Bharat.
Next station is Anand Vihar. Photography and videography are prohibited.
Saying photography and videography is prohibited. I am doing the same. Hello all the commuters via bike or car. I am faster than you. Its speed is right now 118 kmph. Outer environment.
Agla station, New Ashok Nagar.
You can see how faster it is. Its acceleration is too much, and it's now 83. So again metro is elevated, going to be elevated. Wow, you can see this bridge. It's all the steel span structures. Cannot feel that your train speed is above 100 kmph, and it's right now 112 kmph, and I can't feel it looks like 30 or 40 kmph of train. How it's the proud moment for India, Rana, especially for the northern regions. And metro will terminate from here. You can see these are the ballastless tracks, fully concrete structures, and this is the trusses and full steel span structures. Now I have to board from here. To deboard after the glowing the green light, I have to press here. This is only for the premium class. Now I will press. This is open. Again I have to scan my QR like this, and you can see, wow, this is open now. You can see, wow, decoration, how this is decorated, and you can see also the screens over there. Right now this is the last station, that is New Ashok Nagar, and you can see that side construction work is going on for the Sarai Kale Khai station. That will be operational soon. You can see the OHE line is being installed. So in this way the metro is going to terminate from here. That's why it's stopped till now. You can see this side male washroom and this side female washroom are also made over here for the convenience of the passengers and commuters. and this is the map. And yesterday Prime Minister inaugurated, that's why you can see decorations are being done here. Flowers are used for the decoration. And now I will move towards the metro station, and you can see the metro of this is map of this is also made. You can see this is the full stretch after the building that has proposed, that like Delhi to Meerut, Delhi to Panipat and Karnal, Delhi to SNB and Alwar. All three primarily routes are made here map. And you can see this is the Anand Vihar station, Anand Vihar bus terminal, station line metro 7, that is blue or pink line, and metro station FOB, and Anand Vihar railway station, Anand Vihar underground Namo Bharat station, Kaushambi interstate bus station. All the structures maps are installed over here for the age of the commuters. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you would like it, enjoy it, and subscribe my channel. This area is being built for the connection, to give the facility and connection toward the DMRC, that is Delhi Metro. Delhi Metro Blue Line, New Ashok Nagar Metro Station. And you can see station is over there, and you can't imagine how it is constructed. This is the marvelous civil engineering project. Behind that you can see and here it is Namo Bharat, Dhanyavad NCRTC. Okay, thank you.